Hi, my name is Amber Jones and I am a USW graduate. I studied fashion and design with USW, including a placement year in India, which was wonderful and part of where I fell in love with making with your hands, actually. The first time I made a dress and I put it on someone and I could see how it was part of them. It was showing off who they were as a person, and that feeling is indescribable. Like, I helped someone be themselves and I haven't looked back since then, and now that's why Bombus Artisanal exists. So a big part of Bombus is about collaborating with other small creatives and independent artists so we can all uplift each other together, and that's what Global Entrepreneurship Week is about. It's about celebrating all the amazing people that are doing their own thing in their own way because it matters to them. I'm also now part of the studio as a graduate. And I was part of USW Launch, which was a 16-week intense advice and guidance to help set up my business. And that was amazing. It covered a lot of things that I was unsure about, to do with financing and stuff, and all the businessy parts of the business that I hadn't studied for 10 years, unlike textiles and sewing. And I'm still part of the studio now, and I get to work around lots of other entrepreneurs who understand what it means to be a one-person business and doing it all yourself. And it's just an amazing atmosphere, and I still get lots of advice this day, and it's just a lovely environment to be in, very supportive. A lot more upcycling is in Bombus's future. I have so much fun creating really unique, one-of-a-kind bags and accessories and other things from these old garments that probably would have ended up in landfill if I didn't use them. And it's always fun to see how I can make it work and use the features of a garment to really show off that this was once something else, but now I've made it into something new for people to use and enjoy and hopefully love for a very long time. Bombus exists due to my values surrounding sustainability and diversity and inclusion, because unfortunately it's not a priority in a lot of the fashion industry, and I would not feel comfortable working for a company or fashion house or anything like that that doesn't put those things at the forefront of their business. Yes, I'm a business, I want to make profit, but I also want to look after the people working around me and our planet. My advice is that you do need to be tough. It will be a lot of hard work, and sometimes it will be just downright depressing, but I personally feel it is very worth it. I love making, and I can't see myself being happier doing anything else, so it's worth it.